Hello, guys, and welcome back to another live at Voice of Crypto is the Book Launch, and I hope you're doing fine out there. So today we're talking about Bitcoin halving and what's currently happening in the market. Before we get into any content, I would love to remind I'm not a financial advisor. However, you should definitely do your own market research and your personal TA and your personal decisions. Okay. With that said, let's move straight away to the BTC price before we get into any news, before we get into anything else. I mentioned yesterday that I wasn't trading and I'm still waiting on the best entry. Now I'm gonna share with you right now the Bitcoin price is currently at 62,672.60 point yeah 0.79 somewhere around. So however, if we hold this support momentum, it is going to be a nice long opportunity, but I am not entering any trades right now, especially with the halving incoming. If we hold, I would definitely open a new long position. If we break down, I will just wait to get the best dip to start longing once more. Same scenario at the Ethereum movement, but it is, I think, the best decision is to wait right now. It seems like we're holding, but we never know. So I just hope that we're not going to break the support. If we do break the support, I will be buying in the lower level. Okay, if not, I will just wait to take my next trade. Sometimes the best way and the best thing to do is just to wait and make the best decision. So I think to the next 4 to 8 hours we can take our next decision, and I don't know what's going to happen, so let's just wait to make the most of the next trade. Same scenario on the Ethereum. I am not longer trading Ethereum. However, on the 4 hourly time frame, the arrow sign is crossing into the bullish side. So however we hold in the support zone, we are going to break up. Okay, but if we retest 2,800, we could buy with a lower price. Yeah, that's the current scenario. So if we go back to 2,800, we could long once more from here. If not, we could just wait a little bit more to drop more and to buy at the best cheap. So at this moment, I am just waiting, but it is coming. The movement is coming. The halving is coming. As I mentioned, I will be waiting to take the next trade. Okay, sometimes it's just best to wait and make a better decision in whatever you're doing. Okay, moving back to coin market cap. Today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap. The global crypto market cap is currently at 2.29 trillion, a 0.64% increase over the last day. Fear and greedy index is at 60, so not much has changed. We know that Hong Kong approved a spot Bitcoin Ethereum ETF, so something weird is happening. We have the Hong Kong ETF, and we also have the halving incoming. That's what I mean. So we got two bullish things, the halving and the Hong Kong ETF. We are 2 days away from the BTC halving. Okay, this moment is going to kill a lot of people, but however, as I always say, if you are holding into the long term, do not sell your Bitcoin for these big players. Do not sell for these corporations and big massive companies. They will try everything. They'll be buying and selling to get your crypto from you. So it's not a clever idea. However, I think the movement is going to happen. So I was thinking about to open a new trade yesterday, but I was like, what? I'm gonna pay for it. Just pay for it. Wait and let's take the best opportunity. Okay, let's make the best of trading. So moving to Coin Telegraph. Bitcoin drops as dollar eyes best 5 days run in 14 months unexpected rate cut hold. So we also have a dollar thing going on that is related to BTC. Bitcoin holders could experience more volatility as expected interest rates delays continue. The United States dollar is eyeing in a best 5 days run since February 2023, while Bitcoin has dropped over the time as interest rates are expecting to remain high along with the volatility. leading up to April 20 halving. The dollar strengthening is likely driven by expectation of sustained higher interest rates, according to trading resources today. Corbett letter. Less than a month ago, markets were anticipating to the Fed to start counting in June. Higher for longer is now the base case. Okay, the Kobeisi letter wrote in April 17 on X post, higher interest rates typically encourage foreign investors to take advantage of greater returns on bonds and term deposits, increasing on demand for the dollar. And here is the official post. The US dollar is on track for its best 5-day run since February 2023. The boomerang dollar spot index has risen by 2% over the last 5 trading days, the most in 14 months. Meanwhile, the US dollar index is up 5% year to date. Interest rate cuts has been pushed back to starting in September 2024, with just 2 rate cuts this year. Less than a month ago, markets were anticipating the Fed to start cutting in June. Higher for longer is now the best case. And here is the data according to the Corbett letter. The Bloomberg Dollar Spot Index BBDXY, which tracks the performance of a basket of 10 leading global currency versus the US dollar, has climbed approximately 2% over the last 5 trading days, is the largest increase in 14 months. According to the BBDXY, the US dollar index score stands at 106.34, an increase from 105.28 5 days prior, indicated that it has is strengthening again. The other 9 currency included in the index, including the euro, British pound, and Japanese yen. Meanwhile, Bitcoin has seen a 9% price decrease over the past 5 to 63,933 per coin market cap data. While not always correlated, Bitcoin and dollar have shown an inverse relationship over the years. Reuters reported on April 16 that the U.S. Federal Reserve Chair, Jerome Powell, say the country's inflation rate, probably 3.5%, is not moving toward the central bank 2% goal, meaning it's likely to take longer than expecting to achieve that confidence. Meanwhile, trader Justin one in April 16 exposed that each time the US dollar has reached an overbought level, it has been swiftly followed by significant correction. And here is the post. The US dollar index USD hit overbought levels today. Does this mean it's about to pull in a local top? It could. Look what happened the last 3 weeks times happened. The DXYZ chart over here, according to just Spiegler. Bitcoin, which seems a more volatile asset, usually spikes in demand when the dollar weakness. However, another factor comes into play with the Bitcoin halving scheduled to just 3 days away. 2 days right now. For April 20, a process that reduced the amount of BTC that can be mined per block by 50%. Although these halving, crypto investors are showing greater confidence and risk crypto asset compared to the 2020 halving event. According to Bitcoin dominance chart, 3 days before the 2020 halving, Bitcoin dominance is a ratio of Bitcoin market cap compared to the cumulative market cap to all the other cryptocurrencies. Is stood 50% higher this current level. The US dollar has been 60% weaker at the time compared to this current trade. Bitcoin dominance is currently 52%, according to CoinStats. Meanwhile, the 5-day rise in the US dollar has also seen the crypto market sentiment track in the crypto fear and greedy index drop by 11 points since April 20. This article does not contain investment advice or recommendation. Every investment on trading moves include risks, and the reader should conduct their own research when making a decision. I also agree. I think you have to do your own market research, but my personal opinion on it, it's very simple. More problem the Federal Reserve has is better for the crypto market. Even knowing that we are correlated to the USD, this is about to change very, very soon. And this time, Bitcoin is going to lead once more. Moving back to cryptocurrency market prices, let's go back. Let me share my screen with you. So yes, guys, coming back to CoinMarketCap, today's cryptocurrency gainers and losers. Let's have a look on it. We saw a massive change here. Today we have Akash Network, AKT. The current trading price is at 3.77, a 5.45% up movement on the past 24 hours. We have Big Get token on a second place, currently trading at 1.24, is up 5.14% on the past 24 hours. Near Protocol, finally, one of my favorite networks out there, not financial advice, but Near is up 3.42% on the past 24 hours, is currently trading at $5.33. We have the XRMR today, currently trading at 122.41. Nothing crazy, really, nothing like 20% up, but at least they're not dropping that bad either. Okay, we have Core, Back, Theft, Tron, Chili, Jasmine tokens, and loads of other tokens that actually interesting to be holding at this moment. Su, which is also a nice network, Stellar XLM currently trading at 10 cents and could potentially go to 50 cents or $1 in the next upcoming pumps and movements. So yeah, nothing crazy actually. On the drop side, on the top losers, we have the SFX currently trading at 0.282 cents, has been down 6.62% on the past 24 hours. We have STX. The current price is 2.27, currently trading at 6.40% down on the past 24 hours. We have INA currently at 0.94 and is down 6%. So nothing crazy to the upside, nothing crazy to the downside on my perspective. Moving into crypto bubbles, just to close, the weekly is looking very, very crazy for altcoins. As I mentioned yesterday, the best ones to pick at this moment is Matic, Mina, and whatever is down between 26% to 30%, we have Uniswap, Follow, Audi, 40% down. Those are interesting dips to start looking at. However, I think you should definitely wait. I mean, again, it's not financial advice, but just let's wait a little bit on the BTC price. Let's wait on the next movement so then we can make our next trade. However, if you are buying to hold and accumulate, it is an interesting times. Okay, any drought movement like 40% down to 50% down is a beautiful dip to be buying. Okay, 2 days away from the halving, and I'm looking forward to see you tomorrow. Don't forget to join our Telegram, visit the website, comment, like, and share, and I'll see you guys soon again at Voice of Crypto.